Today I'd like to show you a great add-on for your Google Drive that allows you to leave voice comments. This is a powerful tool for you as a teacher as it can save you some time if you're not the quickest typer, but it's also a really great tool to use with students who may struggle with the written word and can benefit from auditory feedback instead of the usual visual or written. The add-on's called Kaizena. Well, at least I think that's how you say it. Kaizena does have a full-fledged website where you can edit Google Docs and leave comments as well, but this add-on's pretty powerful in itself. So you just need to click on add-ons in your menu bar and go to get add-ons, and then in the search bar just type in Kaizena. That's Kaizena, and you'll see Kaizena Mini. You just hit the free button. It'll prompt you to allow Kaizena to see some of your stuff. Hit accept, and now a little message will pop up letting you know that it's available in your add-ons. So I'll close that out, and now if I go to add-ons, I'll see Kaizena Mini, and then open Kaizena Mini again. It'll work. I'm loading it for a few seconds, and then on my sidebar I can see that it's loaded. So now I'm ready to give some comments. All I have to do is highlight, and as soon as I do that, I'll hit new feedback down here in the bottom. I can change the color of the comment if I want. I can enter a skill if there's a specific skill that they need to work on. I can give it a rating of 1 to 4 circles if I want to. And then I can just hit this record button to record my comment. Millennial is spelled with 2 N's. Make sure you change that. When I'm done, I hit stop. And I can add a link if I want to. I can add a typed comment. Or I can just go on to my next comment. I'll highlight another one here. I'll hit new feedback. Give it a color. And I'll just record away. I'm not even sure if this is a word. Can you look it up in the dictionary and double check? Click it to stop. Now to see what it looks like, I'll close that out. Now to see what it looks like from the recipient's view, I'll just switch accounts here. Now granted, your students will have to add this as well in order to be able to access these comments, but as you saw, it only took a few seconds to add Kaizena. Also, it should be noted that this does not work with the iPad app, but hopefully they'll add that someday. So as a student, I'll have to go up to add-ons, and then to Kaizena Mini, open Kaizena Mini. Again, it takes a few seconds to open up. And once it's open, I'll see all the comments on the side here. So the first one was the spelling one that I did. I can click on that, and that'll show the audio that I recorded. Millennial is spelled with 2 N's. Make sure you change that. And then I can move on to the next one just by clicking it. I'm not even sure if this is a word. Can you look it up in the dictionary and double check? And what's great is if I want, I can click on the record button and record a rebuttal or a comment back to the teacher. It is. That's a real word. It is. That's a real word. And then I can close out Kaizena and go on to my business as usual. So there you go. That's Kaizena. A really great add-on for Google Drive. Works best with Chrome, just as a caveat. But a great way for those of us that struggle with the written word to give us another outlet for communicating and giving feedback. If you'd like any help with this, please contact your friendly neighborhood ITC.